Now, health officials are keeping a close eye on 18 former passengers who were on the cruise ship struck by the deadly hantavirus. This as we learn more about how the virus may spread. ABC's Lionel Moise has the latest.
New questions about how hantavirus may spread. Dr. Ashish Jha, who led the White House COVID response, suggests the virus may transmit more easily than previously believed, posting, "There is growing evidence from the ship that you probably don't need prolonged close contact to spread the virus."
The new piece of evidence here is actually one of the passengers who became the ship's doctor when the crew doctor became ill, who noted to health officials that perhaps some of the passengers were getting ill despite not having close and prolonged contact, that they may have gotten ill just with some short interactions with some of the sick passengers.
2 Americans are being treated inside a biocontainment unit in Atlanta. 16 others are under monitoring at a special facility in Nebraska, one sharing this selfie of his room. They'll be screened, and those not showing symptoms may either remain in voluntary quarantine or go home and self-monitor during the virus's 42-day incubation period. That differs from countries like Spain and France with mandatory isolation measures. The director of the Nebraska Biocontainment Unit is also encouraging quarantining for the full monitoring period.
We have health officials at HHS and the CDC who are saying that a mandatory quarantine is not necessary.
Maryland, the latest to confirm it's monitoring 2 residents who were on a flight with a cruise ship passenger who later tested positive. And 3 people in quarantine are from New York. The governor mobilizing public health teams for a worst-case scenario out of an abundance of caution.
I just need to do the responsible thing and prepare.
Officials insist the risk to the public remains low, and as for those passengers who leave Nebraska for home monitoring, they will not be allowed to travel on commercial flights. Lionel Moise, ABC News, New York.